channel, guys. In our previous video, I taught you guys how to monetize your Telegram channel so that advertisers start placing ad on your channel and in turn you start getting paid. Now on this video, I am going to teach you guys how to in turn run an advert on a Telegram channel. Different people with different choices. Some just want to monetize their Telegram so that others run an advert in their channel and pay them. Some want to run the advert on other people's channels and pay those people. Running an advert on channels will help you get followers. And when I say followers, massive followers, organic followers. That is organic people, organic subscribers. You can also call subscribers followers. So organic subscribers that need what you are doing. They will target channels that are doing exactly what you are doing and run the advert on there. Okay, so if you don't get what I said, I will repeat. I said that running a Telegram channel will help you to get massive subscribers or members to your channels or groups respectively. And when getting these subscribers or followers, it doesn't just get any type of person. It gets exactly those people that are concerned or those people that are interested on whatever you are doing on that channel. Someone once said that Telegram ads will not only get you members or subscribers, it also gets you the right people. So if these are what interests you, just stick around on this video and don't forget to share this video across many platforms so that a lot of people see that you can now run an advert on Telegram and get followers to your page or even your platform. There's a way you can even run an advert and get maybe subscribers on your YouTube channel and the rest of that. Okay, so make sure you share this video, like this video, drop a very nice comment, and most importantly, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell for you to get notified whenever I upload massive wonderful video like this. So without just wasting time, let's get right there. So when you come to your Chrome, I'm gonna be teaching this on a PC. The same thing I'm doing, just replicate it on a mobile phone. It's still the same thing. It's just decision. I just decided to teach it on a computer. You can do it on your phone. Now coming to your phone or your laptop, just go to the Chrome browser and type ads.telegram.org. So click on enter. When you now click on enter, it's going to bring up this. Now this is the interface you're gonna be seeing. As you can see, just take a look at this interface. It says Telegram ads. Every month 950 million Telegram users generate 1 trillion views in a public broadcast channel. Do you see that, guys? Just every month. You see that the traffic we have in Telegram is very massive. Every month, Telegram generates not less than 1 trillion views. So you can leverage on this, you can maximize on this and also get followers to your channel or your platform or anything you can talk about. And it says anyone can display ads in a specific Telegram broadcast channel using this platform. This is a platform owned by Telegram, but it is mainly concerned on Telegram ads. So guys, now for you to get started, there is no sign up here. Okay, you just get started by connecting your own main Telegram to this. So we click on login. All right, then you get the number, that particular Telegram account you want to use to be advertising. You get the number you used to register that Telegram account. Some of you did not register their Telegram with number. What you can do here is to link that Telegram with number immediately. It is very necessary before you start doing this because you must have to log in with your number. Most of you guys know my number, my official number. So here, let me click on shift, then click on this on my keyboard, then put 234. This is our code for Nigeria, then followed by. So this is it, guys. I am now going to be popping up my phone so that you guys will see what is going to be sent to me immediately I want to log into my Telegram ads using my Telegram account. So let me click on next. So immediately I click on this, you're going to receive a message like this. You see, confirm login to advertising platform. Dear Engineer Manuelson, we receive a request from blah 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 to log in there. Now you have two options down below. You have decline and confirm. So what we can do here to log into our ads account using our own Telegram account is to click on confirm. So that is it. It is now accepted. Now take a look at this, guys. This is my dashboard. Okay, remember I told you guys that in this Telegram monetization and advert stuff, I am not going to be rushing this video because I found out that a lot of people are rushing the video on YouTube, not teaching you everything you need to know. And when you dive into there, you begin to see some things that you never expected to see. Okay, so I had my own experience. That's why I am teaching you guys. It is very important you don't skip this video because you will definitely see something. There is something I want to tell you guys on this particular thing, and that will be any point in this video. It might be towards the end or any point, so just stick around on this video and go nowhere. All right, so that is it. Now look at my interface. As you can see, it says you have no ads yet. Create your first ads by clicking the button below. This place is where you have your budget. Okay, as you can see, you pay for your adverts in tone. Everything Telegram is doing, you pay for it in tone, unless it is a platform outside Telegram that is using Telegram to run the advert. Then you can consider paying or receiving money in dollars or pounds, as the case may be. But once it is within Telegram, if Telegram is the owner, they will either pay you in tone or you pay them in tone. I hope you get that. So let's click on create a new ad. All right, this is an interface you see when you click on create a new ad. So you make no mistakes here. That is why I want you guys to follow me duly on this video. Now in this place you have ads title. This is the place you name what you are doing. All right, you can even name this with your channel's name, or you name it another thing. All right, this place you have ad title. You can just say sports arbitrage. Okay, so that is it, sports arbitrage. Then here you can just add a little text. When you see those ads on those channels, that is what you see there. You first of all see ad. Okay, the second thing you see is what is this. They will now start explaining it. Click here to get good games daily, or to get sports arbitrage signals daily, or to get trading signals daily. Those things you see them right over there is what you put on this place where you have text. So I can just say join to get quality signals on sports arbitrage daily. So guys, you know, let me correct this. Arbitrage. Now you know that a lot of people run things, especially the betting platform. They will have the free platform like that, where you join and momentarily, like once in a week, they give you an arbitrage signals. But if you want premium, you can now join the premium group, where you will be getting signals daily and more quality signals, more than the one they're getting in the general group. So you need an audience to be seeing that you are doing. You know, the more you have audience, the more you have people to register on your premium platform. Hope you know that. So you can use this particular platform, create a free group, you know, use this particular platform, get some, you know, decent amount of subscribers, or you keep promoting it. All right, if you get money from premium, you also use it to promote it here. You keep on getting more people, and the more people are knowing you, the more subscription they are getting. Do you understand that? So you create a public group for your sports arbitrage and then put the link here. Now the group you created, this is the place you put the address. Okay, let me just try and put the link of our public broadcast channel. You see that? So this is the link to Max Hustle YT public broadcast channel. This place is where you set whether the ads will start running now, or you hold it for some time. Okay, you can just set it up and put it on hold. It will save the ad. Whenever you come and you want it to start running, you can click here and it becomes active. You can also set a date when you want the ad to start running. Okay, so from here you set the date you want it to start running from. Okay, and you set the date you want it to stop running. So this is it. All right, so after that you click on here. You can even schedule like some days, like those dates, you schedule some days you want it to be running over here. But all these things are not necessary for a lot of people. Just put it on active, leave all these things. All right, so that is it. Now from this particular place, you have target specific channel. If there is a channel you have been eyeing, if there's a channel you have been crushing on, this channel have 1 million subscribers, this channel have 50 million subscribers, something like all these hamster combat channels, okay, that have 50 million to 60-70 million. You understand that? Like channels with 100 million subscribers that are doing things that concerns what you are doing. This is a hot cake. So you just put the link of that Telegram channel over here. Once the Telegram channel is a public channel, Telegram is going to be running the advert on that specific channel and be leaving it. But if you leave it open, Telegram will use itself to target channels, like target 2 or 3 channels for you that are doing the same thing with what you're doing, and run the adverts there. All right, so that is it. Then here you set your CPM, that is cost per mile. In 1000 view, if 1000 impression, like 1000 people sees this advert, how much is Telegram going to be taking from you? So you know these things are read in tone, but the best is to put it 0.1 tone, something like that. And 0.1 tone is about 5 cents. Okay, that is about, let's say, 800 naira or something like that in every 1000 impressions. Okay, then after this we have this daily views limit per user. Okay, just put it on 1. If you put it on 1 person will see this particular advert once. Okay, like if I visit that channel and you are advertising on that channel, I'm gonna be seeing it only once. If you put 2, I will see it twice. Like it will, if it will flash on my face twice, I will have 2 impressions already out of that 1000 impressions. Okay, there are some people that when they see something the first time, they might not be interested, but when they see the second time, they become interested. Some people might not be interested in the second time, but in the third time, they'll say, this thing that have been blocking my face like this, let me check up what it is. They will now click on it. But the best is to put it just one, so that if you're getting an impression, you get full 1000 persons. It is better. Okay, because I believe that people that are seeing something for the first time and skipping it, they might not be interested that much on it. All right, so that is it. Now, this particular place is where you set your initial budget, and your initial budget is the total money you are going to be using to run this. Like in this place, we have CPM 0.1. You might decide to say, okay, I want to get 4000 impressions. Okay, so here you put your initial budget as 0.4, something like that, or you say I want to get 100 impressions, so you can just clean this and put 10. This is equal to 100 impressions from 0.1, something like that. I hope you guys are following me. So after this, okay, you can even from here target bots if you don't want to target channel, like all these hamster combat bots and the rest of that. So that is it. Is there any other thing remaining? So that is it. We click on I have read and agreed, then you click on create and add. Immediately you click on that, you see your balance is too low. Add funds. Look at this. I have 0.00 here as my budget. This is not supposed to be this way. So if I click on add funds, now you have the right to add funds in fragment. There is what they call adding funds in fragment. Okay, and I'm going to teach you how to do that right now. All right, so let's click on add funds in fragment. There is what I want to show you here that is very, very important. As you can see, immediately I click on it, it is going to bring out this. Okay, so here I put the amount I want to add. Let's say 5 tones, or let me just put 3 tones, which is $16. I click on add funds. As you can see, amount should be at least 20 tones. I am not going to be boring you guys with a lot of calculation, but I want you to go to your Bybit and check the value of 1 tone. The value of 1 tone should be around $5 or $6. Now, 5 times 20 should be giving us $100, isn't it? Which simply means that if you want to run advert on Telegram, you should deposit at least, let's say, $110, which is around 180,000 to 200,000. So this is it. When you see something like this, do you want to proceed further? If you want to proceed further, you can then put your 20 tone here, then click on add funds. From here, you click on verify your account, and they are going to be linking your wallet account. Okay, because in Telegram they have wallet account. I will still teach you how to create a wallet account on Telegram. From that wallet is where they are going to be deducting money to deposit on here, so that you'll be using it to run your Telegram ads. So guys, if you need me to go further from this, I want you to put that in the comment section, so that I do an extension video of going further to this, so that we see more of how to connect our account. And then, but 20 tone, I know that a lot of people are not going to be. Just take a look at this. 20 tone is $106. I know a lot of you guys doesn't have this. All right, if you have it and deposit it, it has its own advantage, because you will run a lot of adverts really before it finishes up. With this, it can even get you about close to 500,000 followers or subscribers, just these 20 tones. But a lot of people don't have that. You have your money in fragments, let's say $5 and the rest of that. And speaking of that, if you have $5 or less than 20 tone, maybe $10, $50, or even as low as $1 or $2, and you still want to run an advert on Telegram, click on this particular video popping up now. That is where you are going to get how to do it and run exactly the same way you run it on this Telegram on that place. So guys, click on this video right now. Let's go.